First place winner, please retire to the west side of the arena to pick up your award. First place, number 65, he's Lone Star, ridden by Jimmy McConnell from Union City, Tennessee, for Jimmy and Edith Dilday from Dresden, Tennessee. Second place, number 30, A Special Fantasy, ridden by Casey Wright, for Darrell Cruz from Morganton, Alabama. Third place, number 22, The Super Specialist, ridden by Donald Schubert, for Dr. John Lay from Savannah, Tennessee. Fourth place, number 47, I'm Optimus Prime, ridden by Jerry Woodley, for Noble Perry.
I can't come up here right on you. Right, he's right here. He's right here. Yeah. I brought my bag.
First place winner, number 65, he's Lone Star, ridden by Jimmy McConnell.